Yoga, a practice steeped in ancient tradition, yet undeniably relevant in our modern world. Often associated with pretzel-like poses displayed by seemingly superhuman yogis, yoga is much more than just physical contortion. It's a holistic approach to well-being, weaving together physical postures, asanas, breathing exercises, pranayama, and meditation to cultivate strength, flexibility, and inner peace. Whether you're seeking to improve your physical fitness, manage stress, or simply find a moment of quiet amidst the daily hustle, yoga offers a path. This guide will equip you with the basics of getting started on your yoga journey, along with a glimpse into the multifaceted benefits this practice offers. Finding your flow, essential poses for beginners. Before diving headfirst into complex postures, it's crucial to establish a foundation in basic yoga poses. These fundamental movements will help you build strength, improve your balance, and prepare your body for more challenging asanas. Here are a few beginner-friendly poses to get you started. Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, ground down through your toes, and lengthen your spine. This seemingly simple pose builds body awareness and improves posture. Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward-facing dog. Start on all fours, tuck your toes under, and push your hips back and up, forming an inverted V shape. This pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine while strengthening your arms and shoulders. Balasana, child's pose. Kneel on the floor, sit back on your heels, and rest your forehead on the mat. This gentle pose promotes relaxation and relieves lower back tension. Virabhadrasana I, warrior I pose. Step back with one leg, bend your front knee at a 90-degree angle, and raise your arms overhead. This powerful pose strengthens your legs, core, and improves balance. Setu Bandhasana, bridge pose. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips off the ground, interlace your fingers beneath your body for support. This pose stretches your chest and hamstrings while strengthening your glutes and core. Remember, it's not about achieving picture-perfect poses. Focus on proper alignment, listen to your body, and don't push yourself beyond your limits. As you practice regularly, your flexibility and strength will naturally improve. The breath of life, pranayama for beginners. Yoga emphasizes the importance of conscious breathing, known as pranayama. By regulating your breath, you can influence your body's energy flow and mental state. Here's a simple pranayama technique for beginners. Sit comfortably with your eyes closed or gently focused on a single point. Focus on your breath, feeling the rise and fall of your chest or belly with each inhalation and exhalation. Inevitably, your mind will wander. Don't judge yourself, simply acknowledge the thought and gently bring your attention back to your breath. Start with short meditation sessions, gradually increasing the duration as you become more comfortable. Meditation can be challenging at first, but with regular practice, it can lead to increased focus, reduced anxiety, and improved self-awareness. Benefits beyond the mat, how yoga enhances your life. The benefits of yoga extend far beyond the physical postures. Here's a glimpse into how yoga can positively impact your life. Improved physical health. Yoga increases flexibility, builds strength, and improves balance, all of which contribute to better overall physical health. It can also alleviate back pain, improve posture, and boost your immune system. Enhanced mental well-being. Yoga is a powerful tool for stress management. Through pranayama and meditation, it helps calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote emotional well-being. Greater self-awareness. Yoga encourages you to tune into your body and mind. As you practice, you become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations.